Guys, I'm getting right to it. Somebody broke my client's hair. You know, guys, I was out of work for like 8 months with the back surgery. And this is what I came back to. So instead of her going to the person that I recommended her to go to, she went to somebody else. And this is what they did to her hair. So we have to cut it off. I am being so careful. I'm using Magic's 10 Lift 9, 20 volume. And I'm just going to give her some highlights on the top just to break it up. And I am using Olaplex #2 on the ends, and I'm tucking it tight and then folding it over so it does not lay on the lightener. I am using big slices on the top, back to backs, just so I can get a bunch of dimension. Again, putting the Olaplex and protecting the ends because I'm going to go in with color in between. Now, I don't even know if her hair is going to hold any color. It's so blasted out. We started with a chelating treatment, and I did all kinds of treatments before I even started. Now I'm using Magic's 10. I'm using a level 8 to lift her level 3 to a level 6. It's an old trick that I used from back in the day when I was an old hairdresser, and I'm bringing it back. And so I wanted to leave some dimensions. I'm using some low lights in a darker color and some highlights in a lighter color to keep the dimension in her hair, and I'm lifting her base. I am not bleaching her hair up. Guys, I cannot believe what they did to her hair. It is just breaking everywhere, but it is so much better in the long run. Look what I achieved with her hair. It looks so fantastic, guys. Don't forget to like, follow, and share, and the link's in the bio. Hey guys, and if you like that video, don't forget to check out this one, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the ding dong.